Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories, winter bills and a big TikTok fine in Brazil. To help you follow today's episode, full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are available at LinguaWire.com. Winter energy prices may go up. Now we go to Ethan, our LinguaWire correspondent for business.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, winter bills may go up soon. Officials expect a new price cap on Wednesday.
So this is about many homes, not one place.
Yes, millions of homes may feel it. The cap is the top limit. It is for energy prices. It does not fix the full bill.
So the bill still depends on use.
Exactly, if a home uses more gas or electricity, the bill is higher. Analysts expect prices to rise by 4%.
And that sounds like a real change for people.
It is. The rise may start in October. It may last until the end of December.
What is driving this rise?
The report says gas costs have gone up. Those costs are paid by suppliers. Then they can affect household bills.
So higher gas costs can reach the home bill.
Yes, and this comes as colder weather starts. That makes many families worry more.
Are all customers affected in the same way?
No, people on fixed deals will not see the same rise now. People on variable tariffs may feel it more.
That is a useful difference.
It is, and many people now have fixed deals. But firms say energy debt is also growing.
Debt means money people still owe.
Yes, some people are already struggling to pay. So companies and charities want more support.
What help is coming from the government?
Officials say VAT is being cut. It is cut from electricity bills. That may help a typical bill a little.
So the picture is mixed. Higher prices, but some help too.
Exactly, many homes may still feel pressure this winter.
Brazil hits TikTok with a huge fine. Now we go to Grace, our LinguaWire correspondent for justice.
Thanks, Daniel. Yes, Brazil has fined TikTok's parent company. The fine is nearly $30 million.
That is a very large number.
It is. The case is about children's data. Officials say the company mishandled personal data.
What kind of data are we talking about?
Things like names, accounts, and online activity. The regulator says young users were affected. It says TikTok collected and used that data without a valid legal basis.
So the problem is not just one mistake.
Right. The report says the issue was wider than one account. It covered logged-in users and guest browsing too.
Guest browsing means people look without signing in.
Yes, exactly. That made age checks harder. The regulator says this may involve at least 8 million children.
That is a very big number of children.
It is, and the authority also told TikTok to erase the data. That means the company must remove data. The data was taken in the wrong way.
Can the company answer back?
Yes, it can appeal the decision in the next 10 days. So this is not necessarily the final step.
I also hear there is a bigger trend here.
Yes, Brazil is putting more pressure on tech firms. Officials are also looking more closely at child safety online.
So this one fine is part of a wider push.
Exactly. It shows how seriously Brazil is treating young users' data.
Three words from Story 2. First, fine. A fine is money you pay after a rule is broken. In the story, Brazil gave TikTok a fine. Example: the driver got a fine for parking there. Second, data. Data is information, like names or account details. In the story, the case was about children's data. Example: the app keeps your data safe. Third, appeal. An appeal is a new request to look again. In the story, TikTok can appeal the decision. Example: the company will appeal the ruling. Grammar point: be going to. Use be going to for a plan or for a likely future result. Example 1. Prices are going to rise this winter. Example 2. TikTok is going to appeal the decision. Repeat after me. Are going to rise. LinguaWire isn't only a podcast. Every day, the lead story becomes a personal language lesson in your classroom. Each lesson covers reading, vocabulary, grammar, writing, and listening, all built from today's real news story. Start today on linguawire.com.